Our machinery inventory at Rodin Cars is continuing to expand, and recently we received delivery of a new Haas GM2-5AX Router machine. This machine is not only huge, but is really exciting. We want to tell you all about it and how it is going to help build our hypercar, the Rodin FZERO. The primary purpose of the Haas GM2-5AX Router is to machine the plugs that will be used to make the carbon fibre moulds for all of the Rodin FZED and FZERO car parts. A plug is a full-size, 100% scale model of the finished part, and our plugs are made from either polyurethane or epoxy tooling board. Our Haas machine will also be used for trimming the finished carbon parts. It's a very large piece of equipment with an expansive tool capacity of 30 and weighing a staggering 10 tonne. The machine is built to be general purpose and versatile, and we have made some additional setup changes to the machine and room that will assist in our manufacturing process, making it more streamlined and more effective. On our machine, we have drilled and tapped the whole table as it came blank. We've added a mist coolant system for cutting aluminium, plumbed the machine for vacuum, and built custom riser blocks with vacuum plates to hold parts. In our facility room, we have built a custom gantry crane to load the machine, and we've also installed a dust extraction system. So, what do you think about our new Haas machine? And what do you want to see us make on it? We look forward to showing you more engineering and machinery works underway here at Rodin Cars. Stay tuned, the Rodin FZERO is on its way.